Hi everybody, this is the video presentation of my smart home alarm system. As we can see, here we have two terminals. The one on the left will be used to flash the firmware on my ESP32 and also to execute this firmware. At the startup, the ESP32 will connect to my own Wi-Fi network, and then it will periodically connect to a local MQTT broker and subscribe to an MQTT topic. But this periodical subscription is only needed if remote activation is enabled, because otherwise we do not need this periodical subscription. We can only connect in case of publish. So now on the right terminal we will execute instead the Python code that is the MQTT bridge that is needed to relay messages from ESP32 to AWS and vice versa. So at this point we can start two commands. So we flash the firmware and we start the Python bridge. While waiting for firmware flash and execution, we can start to analyze the web app that is deployed with AWS Amplify. So as we can see, the web app is authenticated, so we have to insert username and password to access. For simplicity, I already created a user that is I assume to be authorized to access the content of the dashboard. Okay, at this point we can test the system working, and so we push the button to activate the system. The system will be active in 5 seconds. So now the system is active and it is measuring the magnetic field, and now no intrusion is detected because the door is closed. But at this point we can simulate a break-in by opening the door, and as we expected, the alarm is triggered. And now the alarm will keep going also if we, for example, close the door, obviously. And the only way to stop the alarm is to stop the whole system. So we stop the whole system, and so the system is deactivated, and also the alarm will stop. As we can see from the right terminal, the cloud will know when the system has been activated, all relevant information related to the alarm, and when the system has been stopped. So now we sign in to the dashboard to see this information, and as we can see now, an alert is displayed in order to know that an intrusion has been detected, and we can also see the recent alarm events here. The last triggered last measurements about the alarm, and the latest system activation times, so with the on and off time of the system, and also related statistics. And last thing to test, is remote activation and deactivation. So the remote activation and deactivation can be performed with the activate button. So by pushing the activate button, we can activate the system remotely. So as we can see, the system has started, and now the magnetic field is measured, and now we can simulate again break-in. So the alarm functions as before, and we can deactivate the system also remotely, and as we can see, the system has been stopped. So obviously we can also log out. So this is the system working, and this was the presentation, the demonstration of my system, and thank you for watching.